Good morning, students. Today in Piles Easy Commerce, we are starting as functions of SEBI. पहले तो जानते हैं ये SEBI क्या है और ये क्या करता है. तो SEBI is Security Exchange Board of India. ओके ये कभी एस्टैब्लिश हुआ था 12th April 1988 और इसका मेन पर्पस क्या है टू डेवलप एंड रेगुलेट स्टॉक मार्केट इन इंडिया. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? तो 1992 SEBI act was passed and the act gave statutory powers to SEBI. मतलब 1992 से इसका एस्टैब्लिशमेंट हुआ है. तो मेन उसका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? मतलब जस्ट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट विद द फंक्शन, तो इन्वेस्टर्स के इंटरेस्ट को प्रोटेक्ट करना, प्रोफेशनलिज्म को प्रोटेक्ट करना, गुड फाइनेंशियल क्लाइमेट, व्हाटएवर इट इज देयर. उसके बाद powers to call periodical returns, any information or explanation from recognized stock exchange, amend or bylaws, power to control and regulate the stock exchanges. ये सब powers उसके पास है. उसके बाद वी आर डूइंग इज फंक्शंस ऑफ सेबी. तो सेबी के मेन फंक्शंस क्या है? पहला है प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ इन्वेस्टर्स इंटरेस्ट. तो सेबी हैंडल्स इन्वेस्टर्स कंप्लेंट्स. अभी कभी क्या ब्रोकर ने कुछ किया है ऊपर नीचे, कंपनीज इशूइंग सिक्योरिटीज and agencies connected with issue or management of securities. So all of that comes under protection of investors' interest. उसके बाद regulates working of mutual funds. So SEBI has prescribed the SEBI, that is Mutual Funds Regulation Act of 1993. Necessary modifications are made in the regulations from time to time. So all of that comes under the regulates working of mutual funds. कि कभी कुछ ये हुआ वो हुआ या कुछ you'll always see that one line, and I mean it's very popular, that mutual funds are subject to market risk. मतलब मार्केट ऊपर है तो आपको कभी कभी 10 to 15% भी मिलेगा per month extra, but sometimes you might not even get more than 4%. So there is a lot of up and down based on the markets. So this SEBI is based on the mutual funds. उसके बाद I have is prohibition on insider training. तो insider training क्या होता है? See, मतलब सेबी को कोई कंपनी के साथ इनसाइड डिटेल नहीं आता है, और एनी अदर पर्सन डील इन सिक्योरिटीज ऑफ अ कंपनी listed on any stock exchange on the basis of any published price sensitive information. So all of it, that is prohibition on insider training. उसके बाद I have is regulates merchant banking. So by all the merchant bankers in India, मतलब ये merchant bankers क्या करते हैं? Code of conduct to be followed, submission of half yearly results. So मतलब there is SEBI has laid down SEBI Merchant Banking Regulation Act of 1992. जो भी मर्चेंट बैंक है, मतलब जो ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं, जो हेल्प कर रहे हैं, सो उनको ये उनके रिलेटेड जो भी रूल्स है दे हैव टू फॉलो. रेगुलेट स्टॉक ब्रोकर एक्टिविटीज. तो अभी क्या होता है, पहले क्या होता था, और ये लीक था, ये शेयर्स बाय कर, ये कर, ये सेल कर, ये राइट टाइम है, बहुत सारे ऐसे. So no broker or sub-broker can buy, sell or deal in securities without being a registered member of SEBI. तो जिसका भी टर्मिनल का लाइन है, they all have to be under that SEBI thing. वो एक टाइम का वो पैसा लगता है. The registration enables SEBI to regulate the stock broker activities. उसके बाद I have is portfolio management. The SEBI has also enacted regulations to regulate the working of the portfolio managers. Portfolio managers make investment decisions for individuals and institutions. So SEBI has laid down that no person or institution can operate, as a portfolio manager without the restrictions. उसके बाद I have is regulates takeover and mergers. So what happens in this is SEBI has issued a set of guidelines to protect the interest of the investors in the case of takeovers and mergers. They aim at making the takeover process transparent and also protect the interest of minority shareholders. So that is regulates takeovers and mergers. मतलब research and publicity. So SEBI conducts surveys, investments, opportunities. फिर वो लोग के security markets, they have these monthly publications and they will convey to all the registered stock brokers. उसके बाद is monitoring of the stock exchange. तो इसमें क्या होता है in the monitoring of stock exchange I have is changes in rules and bylaws, new committee, admission, readmission, deaths, resignation of members, disciplinary action against those members, submission of any kind of periodical returns, official rates for securities listed, number of securities listed and delisted during the previous 3 months. All of that comes under the annual report. उसके बाद I have is capital market reforms by SEBI. So buyback of shares is allowed to reduce the chances of hostile takeover. PAN is made compulsory for investors to trade on the stock exchange. Demat has been introduced and no more physical transfer of shares are going to be taken, Guidelines on capital issue. First, public issue of new companies, public issue of the listed companies, So all of that comes under guidelines of the capital issues. Now, we move on to the SEBI investors के क्या measures लेती है so that the investors' interests are protected. तो पहला I have is investor fund and protection fund. So ये fund क्या है? So the government of India has set up IEPF, मतलब IEPF, first of each. They protect the promotion of investors. SEBI, along with the stock exchange, plays an important role in the implementation of this fund. This thing has under the previous of the Companies Act 2013 for administration of investor education and protection fund. This can be utilized for refund of unclaimed and unpaid amounts, promotion of investors awareness, protection of the interest in accordance with provision of section 125(3) of the Companies Act of 2013. उसके बाद investor awareness program. अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट क्या होता है, म्यूचुअल फंड्स में रिस्क क्या होते हैं, टैक्स कैसे प्रोविजंस है. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने 4 साल पहले मेरे शेयर्स लिए थे और आज मैं बेच रही हूँ तो आई हैव टू पे वन लमसम टैक्स. लेकिन मैंने 6 महीने पहले ली हो, 1 साल के अंदर आएगा तो देर इज समथिंग ऑफ 15%. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? So there are different ways of calculating those tax. Then I have is that is known as all the investor awareness programs in various things. Stock exchange trade, Sensex. Regulation of mutual funds. So in the regulation of mutual funds, SEBI has laid down rules and regulations to be followed. AMFI is the Association of SEBI registered mutual funds in India. AMFI regulates the members of the associations in order to protect the investors from any kind of unfair investment policy. Investor grievance cell. SEBI handles complaints against brokers, issue of capital and other agencies connected with or management of securities. उसके बाद I have is due diligence certificates by merchant bankers. So the diligence certificate gives the detailed positions of the issue of shares. The investor can file a case of incorrect statement in the prospectus on erring companies. Are you understanding? उसके बाद I have is so that is the due diligence certificate by the merchant bankers. उसके बाद representatives for allotment process. जब भी allotment होता है which protects the interest of the मतलब कुछ नया शेयर्स है, कुछ नया IPO आया है, so SEBI को they have to keep in क्या बोलते हैं loop. They cannot do cheating के खाली उसके भाई बहन को सबको शेयर्स दे दिए और दिखाने के लिए खाली IPO किया है. Are you understanding? There are many people who do lots of cheating going on because they know उनके शेयर्स ज्यादा बढ़ेंगे, फैमिली मेंबर्स को ही रातों रात करोड़पति बना देंगे, So there can be those chances, or some other tips, whatever. There are lots of things where people do. Credit rating for converting debt instruments. So यहाँ पे no issue or company shall make a public issue or right issue of convertible debt instruments. And in that I have is following conditions are satisfied on the date of filing draft offer with SEBI, and they look on the date of filing a final offer with ROC or designated stock exchange. ROC is Register of Companies. तो डेथ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स जो है, मतलब मेरे जो डेथ है उसको मैं स्टॉक या इक्विटी में मैं कन्वर्ट कर रही हूँ, तो उसके लिए वो क्रेडिट रेटिंग ना, क्रेडिट रेटिंग क्या होता है, दिस वी गोइंग टू डू इन डिटेल. तो हर एक कंपनी को है ना एक इमेज रहता है, उसको वो हिसाब से ए प्लस प्लस, ए स्टार, हाउ वी हैव नैक, नैक गिव्स ए बी सी बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट, इट्स लाइक अ, it's an institute which is going to rank colleges. Similarly, there are institutes like ICRA and CARE that ranks various companies as to how they are performing. Uske baad I have is the IPO grading. So SEBI has laid down rules regarding IPO grading. No unlisted company can make an IPO of equity shares or any other securities that will be converted at a later date. So the unlisted companies, they have obtained grading for IPO from at least one credit rating agency. Disclosures of all grades obtained have been made for the offer document. उसके बाद is promoters. So who are these promoters? Contribution. So basically promoters contribution जो है वो एक मतलब who has started this entire thing, he's a promoter. So greedy promoters come with public issue to cheat investors. The promoters shall contribute not less than 20% of the post-issue capital. So there are certain terminologies that you need to know. Then the minimum promoter's contribution shall be locked in for a period of at least 3 years. Underwriting of securities. Underwriters are those people who assure that minimum these many shares they will sell for the company. Because the company को इतना पैसा, at least इतना fund जरूरत है. So they are known as underwriting of securities. उसके बाद I have is redressal of investor grievances by the lead managers. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, there is a post issue activities, namely allotment, refund, dispatch. ये सब लीड मैनेजर करते हैं, जो अपन ने आईपी और उसमें अपने पढ़ा था. उसके बाद रेस्ट्रिक्शन ऑन फर्दर इश्यू ऑफ कैपिटल. तो if any other things are there, the commencing period, the ending period, unsubscription to be raised from further, they are all made to the draft offer. So all of this is restriction on further issue of capital. Thank you, students. I hope this process has become very simple, and the source for the same has been taken by me from Anand Prakash. And thank you, students.